Woo! Welcome. I'm your beer, small A, B-Rad, that's a lot of B's. No bullshit. I've actually got this from a brewery called High Winds Brewing Company in Junction City, Kansas. Alright, I'm supporting my dry lake out of Great Bend. I ordered a pizza, right? A small pizza here. Yes, I did eat a piece because it was starting to get cold. So I thought I'd do a review in Dave Portnoy. If everyone watches Barstool Sports, Dave Portnoy, look at that. Fantastic undercarriage, alright? 0 to no flop. There was a fucking excellent cheese pull if you're going to go off that. This pizza is fantastic. I'm giving this pizza an 8.4. Good undercarriage, good crust, good flavor all the way around. Dave Portnoy gets cheese pizza. It says the gold medal slice. I sometimes go outside the box, and this is their version of a supreme pizza. But absolutely fantastic. I've got beer to come with this review. It's just I can't do a beer review in my truck, and I didn't do it inside the brewery when I was sampling flight. So, but an absolutely fantastic place at High Winds Brewing Company. The pizza, and then they have like a bistro. So they've got where you can buy pizza, you can get burgers and stuff. So that stuff looked excellent. Also, the beers were fantastic. So Junction City, High Winds Brewing Company. Atmosphere, it's nice, it's clean. Good place to watch a game, grab some good food. If you live in Junction City, or if you don't, I mean, I live roughly about 2 hours away. Absolutely fantastic place, I feel. Give them a try. High Winds Brewing Company, Junction City, Kansas. Thank you for watching. To my Marine Corps family, Semper Fi. And of course, always, Chesty Puller, wherever you